How to download the song in Spotify app. So basically, if you want to download the song in Spotify app, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Spotify application, and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Now if you want to download songs, while it is definitely possible to do that, there's a certain catch. So here if I go to my library and then I'm playing a certain playlist right here, right? So let's say I want to download this playlist. I can see the download icon right there. However, you will only be able to download it if you have got Spotify Premium. So unfortunately, that's the case for now. We're not able to download or save music for offline listening whenever we're not connected to Wi-Fi, as long as we do not have a premium subscription. So if you have premium, or if you do want to get premium, you can tap on Explore Premium and subscribe. Otherwise, if you're on the free version, you'll not be able to download the songs. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.